Hi everybody, it's Alan here from linkorchard.com. I'm here with Craig Vallis, who's living in London from South Africa. We're going to talk about their application, which is SID. Okay, Craig, nice to meet you. How are you?
Yeah, very good,
nice
thank
to meet
you. Pleased to be in Dublin.
Do you want to give us the old 30-second pitch there on SID?
The old 30-second pitch is that what started as a quest to create an alternative to Google and Facebook for logging into websites has ended up in so much more.
Yeah.
Okay. We've created one account. Not only have we created one account that logs you into everything on the internet, that is maximum security, we've created an incredible login experience.
Okay.
And when you see it work, you'll wonder how we
want to use it.
You'll want to use
tell
it.
me
You wonder how we've made
Let's
it.
just talk a little bit about passwords, right?
Yes.
We've heard about talk in the last few weeks. It's data hacked and everything. You're not storing the passwords on your servers, is this correct?
That's correct.
You're not actually, so you're bypassing the problem completely.
We are not concentrating the power in our servers.
Where's the password?
The passwords are stored with each user on their devices. You have custody of your password.
So you're kind of bypassing that problem, you're driving around it, it's not even
driving
there
it more
anymore. Okay, do you want to give us a demo then?
Yeah,
We show everybody.
give it a
Declan's going to come around here on the camera.
Okay.
So this is, we're on
Lloyds Bank?
Lloyds Bank, yeah. Okay, so you've just clicked, what have you done there now? You just clicked the button there in the browser.
Scanned it in.
Right.
It's put in the username and password.
Brilliant.
Okay. And it's put in
You're
the
actually logged
secondary.
in. And
We're
your
actually
secondary
logged in.
passwords.
Secondary password.
Awesome.
We're logged in under a second.
So you click the little SID button there, which is actually part of the browser.
It is part of the browser.
Not
it sits
part,
in the
so you
browser.
don't have to worry about the website interacting with the
Absolutely.
website code.
The website doesn't know that we...
There it is again, guys. Have you got that Declan there, that little SID there?
Yeah. Here we go.
And you're
Puts
logged
it
in. Yeah.
And you're logged in. And it works with Amazon, eBay.
It works with that again. It didn't work there on Facebook.
There we go.
Oh, you're in.
We're in.
Keep it in. Did you keep
Keep it
rolling
in.
there, Declan?
Yeah, I did, yeah.
Sorry, my
it in,
bad.
sorry.
Okay.
We'll do it again there. Here we go.
Okay,
Watch.
lovely.
Keep
lovely.
it on. There we go. Green halo.
Okay, I hope you don't mind me saying that. It was just a kind of, but that's great now. It's worked on Amazon as well. You're lovely, jubbly. Okay. Wow. Well, I mean, that's the best demonstration for everybody out there. You're bypassing all the problem. Now, tell me about this. The way the internet was designed, and you've written an article about this on LinkedIn. Distribution. Can you tell me about that? What you were saying earlier about the distributing information rather than being concentrated.
So yeah, over the years, the original internet was designed as distributed points, no single point of failure, all of those types of things. And what we've actually ended up doing is we've concentrated power. So in the TalkTalk example, 4 million users had concentrated some of their identity information in a single store.
All sitting there for the thieves.
All sitting there waiting to happen.
Just like a bike thief in the apartment. All the bikes are downstairs.
All the bikes, exactly. So what we've gone back to the fundamentals.
Yeah.
So we're taking it back to custody. Each person has custody of their own data.
In their own phone.
In their own
security.
phone.
Fantastic now, I have to say. I mean, I have the old spreadsheet with the passwords lined up. I have 4 tabs now at this stage. It's a nightmare. I have to open up the spreadsheet, look at the tab, search for the thing, put it into the thing. This is actually going to save me time,
It's
your
going to save a
application.
huge amount of time.
So it's more secure, and I'm going to save time.
Correct. And we're
That's
making it
great.
more secure as time goes on because we're building biometrics into it.
Okay.
So SID will recognize your face, it'll recognize your voice, it'll recognize where you are.
Yeah.
To make sure.
Tell us about that. How's that going to work?
So a single biometric is just your face.
Yeah.
Okay. And that can that's not always. It's dark. The lights are flashing.
Yeah.
So we use a combination of all of them. Your voice, your face, where you are, your fingerprint if it's available.
So just for everyone out there, bio, fingers, face, your biology, the metrics, the data. These guys have the data about this. It's already, everyone's familiar with the fingertip on the phone. The face is going to come into it. Craig, you were saying about you're also going to build in security with stuff like I go to work, I do certain things every day. Could you tell everyone about that?
So the additional biometric is around how we behave and where we go. So if you commute from work to the office, you're going to take the same route. You might walk the same route to the station and then take the same train. And that is a signature about you. If somebody were to steal your phone from home and go to the station, they would walk a different route. Okay, they would carry their phone in a different pocket.
Yeah.
Okay, and they would walk in a different manner because they're not you.
Yes.
Okay, and that would all signal to SID that you're not you.
Problem. Yeah,
that is a problem.
Yeah.
There might be exactly that. There might be a problem.
Yeah.
Okay? And we're not going to stop you from using that.
Yeah.
Okay. We will ask you for your PIN. and you'll say,
that's
oh,
a
hang on a
hungry
second.
company.
We'll then say, right, we're uncertain that it's you.
See, there's your basic pin on the app as well, of course. Yeah,
Correct,
six
digits.
you're saying.
Six
Yeah,
digits,
yeah.
correct.
Very good. Okay, and you were saying as well. Okay, we've done the example there for everyone on the desktop, but it's obviously going to work on the phone as well.
It will
The
work on the
application's in the phone.
Correct. It
Okay,
works on
it'll
the
be
phone.
slightly different security, and biometrics again will be key.
Will be the underlying
Okay.
security. Correct.
Okay, we better talk about success, because this is what these guys want to see. 10 years from now, tell us what success looks like for SID.
Success for us is that it becomes a standard in everybody's arsenal. When they get a new phone, they load SID immediately, and all of their passwords are downloaded
Could be
from their
built in.
previous phone. Well,
Pretty
built
good
in the phone would be good.
Yeah,
Well,
yeah.
that will be successful. We could speak to the manufacturers built in. That will be a success. People licensing the technology, so banks realizing that actually they need to think about their users and how they feel and how they want to use it. So that will be a success for us as well.
But really, the distribution is such a big aspect of this. The massive. It's not just like if you think all the data sitting there,
Correct.
ready to be cleaved.
Correct.
Basically, yeah.
Correct.
Fantastic. Okay. So we were talking about success. Okay, so obstacles. And you mentioned an obstacle with the. I'll let you explain
Yes.
what you're
Well,
saying.
so the interesting thing about the obstacle is that actually people are becoming cybersecurity fatigued.
Yeah.
It's not even a case of once a week. We're hearing 3 times, 4 times a week
a breach,
that there's
yeah.
a breach or a sound of a breach, and the people who are being breached are trying to play it down. So we actually don't know what to do, and at the moment we don't have an alternative. So when you have an instruction to change all your passwords, are you going to go into your spreadsheet and say, I'm going to go to every single website and change these
No way,
passwords?
Jose.
There's no
No,
way.
yeah.
Okay, you can't do it.
Yeah.
Or if you like some people, you've got 5 passwords that you reuse. You go, I hope they haven't got that one because I don't even know where I've used these passwords.
It could be any. Yeah.
You have no record of where they are. So it just becomes fatigue of just going, oh, I can't do anything about it. The truth is we can. With SID, we can take control. We
Yeah.
don't have to be fearful. We don't have to panic when we hear that TalkTalk's been broken into or any other place is being potentially broken into because we're in control. We have our passwords. We know where we go, and SID can also update your passwords for you. Okay, so that by the time a breach is announced, your passwords are ready.
It's a beautiful solution. Getting rid of this passwords on your server. It's just so simple.
Yes.
But the money people are at this conference, so we better talk a bit about the business model of SID and how do you see that working out?
So, because we're not profiling you, and because we're very fundamental about privacy, we don't know where you go. We're not profiling you. We have no history on you. So, our revenue stream is we want it to be an honest revenue stream with our users. So we've adopted
no
the freemium
advertising
model.
on the data and
So
all
there's
that,
no advertising, there's no reselling the data, there's no mining the data. It's all about looking to our users for subscription in return for the value that we give.
Through the security.
And it's not a huge subscription. So we're not talking hundreds of pounds or thousands of pounds a year. It's in single digits.
Great.
Per month,
Fantastic. Craig, we'll just talk a bit about yourself and your background then, and how you got into IT, and how did it start for you?
It started, I can almost say I've always been in IT. I had my I had my first computer. I had my first computer lesson when I was 10 years old.
Your dad?
My father was forward thinking, and he arranged for computer lessons for us when I was 10 years old. And even before it was geeky, people were going, what are computers?
So we're talking Commodore or Commodore 64?
Around the Commodore, 1983. And then the first language I learned was DBase. I learned it from source code, from a printout of source code on a 4.7 megahertz computer. I sold my first application when I was 16 years old, while I was still at school. A DOS-based menu application, I sold that. And I started my first...
That's going back now.
It is indeed.
It's great.
I started my first IT company when I was 21.
Yeah. I think there was a story about Microsoft bought DOS for 50,000 or something like that, or some incredible story.
And CPM, which is one of the first
first
operating system I used was CPM.
Yeah, pretty awesome. So you're able to, you're the CEO of SID, but so you're also able. You've got a tech team. You're telling me coders, but you're able to.
So coming from a technology background, it was the vision and the combination of the vision around privacy and passwords, but also having the technology of saying, well, hang on, if we can use QR codes, and if we take technology that one of my tech guys was using for automated testing, and we combine them together. So it was, I have been the CTO of this, being very integral into the development, and very much around the architecture. How do we do that? What do we do that? Testing it, some of the coding, but actually my tech guys are second to none. And I want it to work like that, and they've gone, And they've done it.
It's great because it's great having the CEO with the tech background.
Yes.
You know, it helps and everything. Craig, we're going to wrap it up. I hope you have a great time in Dublin. I really hope you make a connection with this here in Dublin. You know, it looks. I'll definitely be getting it myself. You know, I'm just sick of that spreadsheet now. I have to say, it's driving me insane. Thank you very much.
Thank you very
for
much.
talking to us, okay?
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Thanks, guys. Cheers now.